Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shadee with Pure Shade. And this week I'm going to make a buffalo jackfruit dip using, of course, buffalo and ranch. This is how it looks. So I'm going to show you guys how I made it in just a few minutes.
These are all the ingredients you will be using. You can add any extra ingredients for spice. Go ahead and rinse, drain, and shred your jackfruit. Go ahead and dice up those onions. And we're going to go ahead and add everything into this bowl here. You're going to add 8 ounces of cream cheese, so that's the entire container. You're going to add half a cup of buffalo sauce. You can use any of yours that you like. This one, of course, is dairy-free. And you're going to add a 1/4 cup of ranch. Go ahead and add your desired amount of onions. I didn't want to use too many, but add again the amount that you like. And you're going to stir everything together. Just keep stirring, stirring, stirring. All right, now it's time to go ahead and add it to this glass dish. Go ahead and put it in there, kind of flatten the surface out. You're gonna top with cheese. I used 2 different cheeses here. I used cheddar cheese and I actually had some mozzarella left over from another meal, so I also sprinkled that as well. And here's how it looks close up with the cheese that I used. And go ahead and put it into the oven on 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. At the end, you're gonna take it off and put it on broil for about 2 minutes. And of course, it's time to take it out and look at this here. Doesn't that look delicious?
So now it's time for the best part. It's time to try it out. You can pair it with one of your favorite chips. These here are very delicious. So here we go. So here's a close-up of how it looks. So you can add bell peppers, jalapeno, whatever dip that you want to use. You can use fresh jackfruit, but anything, this is going to be perfect for barbecues, housewarmings, anything like that, maybe even baby showers. So here we go. It's very, very good. Oh my God. So good. Y'all don't even know that it's not chicken. Like, it's that good. Oh my God. And the cheese. Y'all to try this out. Try it out. Try it out. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye.